Kalkalosh Boker Or, Mishna Yomi Masechet Metzia Perek, 8th chapter, Mishnah Aleph and Bet, the first and second Mishnah. We already learned in the previous Mishnah that someone that borrows an item, he has to pay for any damage or loss that happens to it, even if it was going to be a complete accident. Now he says like this, this is a very interesting halakha of that what happens right now if you came and you borrowed a cow and the owner was with it at the time of the borrowing. Meaning, right? Or you hired the owner with it. Or you first borrowed or hired the owner, and then afterwards you borrowed the cow. And then it dies, right? Patur, you're going to be patur. Why? As it says, if the owners are with it, you're going to be patur. Okay, meaning by it being with it, so it's ki'ilu that he's free from paying back because he's no longer working for him. Meaning that it's not under his wholeness because the owner is with him the entire time. So the owner sees what's going on. So therefore, that's it. But if you first borrow the cow and then he borrowed the Ba'ali Musranan and then it dies, you're going to be chayav. Meaning only if first he had the owners rented or borrowed and then he borrowed the cow, or together at the same time. But first, if he did the borrowing and only afterwards did he come and did he take the how do you call this? Only afterwards did he come and he take the owners, he's going to be chayav. Second Mishnah. If you borrow the cow, you borrowed it half a day and you rented it half a day. Or you borrowed it today and you rented it tomorrow. Or you rented one and you borrowed one. So you have three different cases. Okay? The one that comes in the lender, he says that the borrowed one died. The day that it was borrowed. Or the time it was borrowed. The other one says, I don't know. He's going to be chayav. Why is he chayav to pay? Because it's he has to swear. And the fact that he has to swear and he can't swear. So that's it. A second claim. The renter says, no, that the one that rented was died. On the day that it was rented, or in the time that it was rented. Another one guy comes and he says, I don't know. So he's going to be patur in this case. Why? Because since the renter is not obligated to swear, so he's patur. So במקרה הראשון הוא יהיה חייב להישבע. בגלל שהוא לא יכול להישבע, אז הוא חייב לשלם. במקרה השני, in the second case, he doesn't need to swear. So if he doesn't need to swear, so therefore he's going to be patur. A third case, right? זה אומר שאולה מתה, right? זה אומר שאולה, זה אומר סגולה. If the cow's owner says the borrowed one died, and the other guy says, no, the rented one died. So he has to swear that it was the rented one that died, right? And then that's it. And if he doesn't swear, if he swears, he doesn't have to pay. What happens if they both say, we don't know? So they don't know which one died. They know the one of them died, but they don't know if it's the rented one, the borrowed one, or during the time of the rental, during the time of the rental. They don't know. Yachloku, they're going to divide it. Right? They divide